Hello children, welcome to the offline classes. This is the third standard English lesson number 3. The name of the lesson is High Lifted Up. High and lifted up. Already you have studied in the previous period so many grammar points. Today we will discuss about the next grammar points. All of you open your textbook, page number 34. Page number 34. Already you have studied the articles in the previous period. A and the. A and an are the indefinite articles. The is only the definite article. Okay. Here today capitalization. Capitalization. See here children, how should we identify this one? Read this sentence from the lesson. Tommy ran outside and the door slammed shut. Tommy ran outside and the door slammed shut. However, there was no Tommy in the front yard. See here children, here Tommy only T. Here will be Tommy, the T only they have given here the letter broad. Okay. The color letter they have given here. Notice that word Tommy. That word Tommy you have to notice always begins with a capital letter. See here. Tommy. Here will be the starting capital. Here will be capital letter is there. Tommy is the name of boy. Tommy is the name of boy. In that lesson, already you have studied. Who was Tommy? Tommy was a boy. It is a proper noun. It is a proper noun because the name of person, place. Okay? Proper noun. All proper nouns always begin with the capital letter. All proper nouns always begin with the capital letter. See here children, every person, place, thing, an animal. That nouns always begins with the capital letter. We call those nouns proper nouns. We call those nouns proper nouns. We use capital letters. To begin the first word of sentence, see here children, these are the points. You have to remember this one. Okay? To begin the first word of a sentence, to write the pronoun I. To begin all proper nouns. Okay? Next, I will read for you this one question. Write these sentences using capital letters wherever required. If they required their place, you have to write, otherwise you don't write. Okay? Which we want to change. If it needs, you want to change there only, otherwise you don't change. Okay? As you same write. My brother lives in Mumbai. My brother lives in Mumbai. See here the starting letter my. You have to write here capital M. Write here capital M. My brother lives in Mumbai. Give the last full point also, that is main. I like to play with my friend Ria. Small I is there, you have to write here big I. I like to play with my friend Ria. Ria is the name of a girl, so write here the R is capital. The third one, who is that girl? Small w is there starting one, so you have to write the big W. It means capital letter W. Who is that girl? As writes the same sentence. Remaining are same, only change W. How I wish I could be a bird for a day. See here children, H is a small, so you write here capital. How? Then I write in capital. Wish. Then I write here capital. Could be a bird for a day. Write the same. Okay. I only change here capital. Then H change capital. Miss Rosie teaches us English. Miss, right here. M-I-S-S. Miss, the M is big. Capital R will be capital. Small r is there. You write here capital R. Then the last one English is there. So you have to write here E. E here English. Capital letter E right here. Next one is I went to watch a movie on Sunday. The capital I write here, went to watch a movie on same. Right here Sunday will be same. Okay. Next, I call my pet cat Milky. Right here I capital. Call my pet cat Milky. M right here capital. Okay. Okay children, see here. Observe this properly and write neatly. The next page. Susan went to Paris for a holiday. Yes, right here capital, the name of the person. So you write here yes capital. Went to Paris. P is the capital of. See here. This is the name of city. So you have to write here P in capital letter. Okay. Remaining are all same. Give the full point in ending sentence. The next one is Peter is my best friend. Write here P, the name of person P, write here capital. Remaining are all same. Okay. Peter is my best friend. Write here P only capital. The last one is River Nile in Egypt is the longest river in the world. River Nile. Nile is the name of the river. So you have to write N is in capital. Then R-I-V-E-R river. R will be capital right here. Then Egypt. Country. It is a country. So you have to write E. It is in capital also. Here is the longest river in the world. Okay. See this one properly and write in your textbook. Copy this neatly. Okay. See here children, turn the page. Turn the page. Listen and answer. Tommy had a dream. Listen to his dream and answer the questions. Some questions. Who had? Tommy had some questions. Dream questions. You have to answer them. Okay. First one. What did Tommy imagine himself to be in his dream? What did Tommy imagine himself to be in his dream? First one option is aeroplane, boat, kite. 3 they have given. Okay. Which one is correct? Kite. You have to underline the kite word. Okay. The second one is what color was the boat? What color was the boat? Red, green, blue. Which one is? Blue color. Tommy saw a field full of. Tommy saw a field full of birds Sunflowers, cows. Which one correct? Sunflowers. Underline this one. Fourth one, where did Tommy get stuck? Where did Tommy get stuck? Treetop, electric pole, rooftop. Where he has struck? Electric pole. Okay, the last one. Who woke Tommy up? His mother, his father, his sister. Which one is correct? His father. You have to underline these. Okay, the first one is kite. The second one is blue. Third one is sunflower. Fourth one is electric pole. The fifth one is his mother. These are the answer of the Tommy's. Imagine that you are going on an adventure. Where would you go and what would you see there? Draw a picture of your adventure in the space given below. In the space given below. Okay, children? See here, imagine. In your imagine that you are going on an adventure. Where would you go? And what would you see there? In your thinking, in your imagination, like you have to draw one picture. Okay? Draw a picture of your adventure in the space given below. Which things you have to see in that adventure? You have to draw here. Which things you have to see in that adventure in your imagination? You draw here pictures. This is for your homework. This is for your homework. Because everyone has a dream. Then different. Their imagination will be changed. So you have to go on adventure. Then what would you see? What would you see in there? Then you have to draw here some pictures in the given below. Okay? This is the homework for you. See here children, you have to copy this one. Then read the lesson properly. Read the lesson properly. Then they have given here some word meanings. You have to read those words. On that time you will get the meaning of that word. In the lesson they have given some blue color words. Those meanings they have given in the end of the page. So you have to read those words and understand. Okay children? Next period we will continue the art lesson poem. Take care. Bye children.